I want to show you two things Amazon has done recently. Individually, they look harmless, but put them side by side, and I think they tell you exactly where Amazon wants to take their merch on demand program. And it's not a place that's great for creators like us. Let's get into it. Amazon just published this. 8 new visual search features. Read that again. Not electronics first, apparel first. Amazon chose to put its most advanced generative AI directly into the category that we sell in. Amazon also generates entire AI shoppable collages grouped by style, like urban luxe or soft elegance, when you search apparel terms. There's a feature called More Like This that uses AI to find visually similar products, not just keyword matches. In plain terms, Amazon now has generative AI that can produce apparel images in real time at mass scale, and they're comfortable putting it directly in front of shoppers. But if you put 2 and 2 together about where this might be heading, it's tough not to wonder if that is coming at some point in the future. This listing already exists. Now look at this. This is a real live Amazon listing run by Amazon itself under the brand Modify by Amazon Merch on Demand. Customers can upload their own photo, logo, or text. Now this has been among the #1 best sellers pretty much since it launched. And that's directly taking away opportunity from print-on-demand sellers like us that may be sold through Amazon Custom or had competing listings on maybe Etsy. Listings like that have no individual seller, no creator, no royalties paid out to anyone like us when it sells. Amazon keeps the entire margin on that shirt because the customer supplied the design and Amazon supplied everything else. From a text description, live today in near real time, Amazon has already been building out the listing infrastructure specifically to cut out the individual creator, by the way, on top of trying to reduce our royalties, which they've been doing since day one, to cut out the individual creator from the transaction entirely. Those two things sitting right next to each other are not a coincidence that I'm willing to ignore. I'm telling you, they now have every piece in place to do it, and if they decide it's worth it, they will. When a company can either pay a creator a royalty or generate the same kind of design in-house for free and keep 100% of the sale, it's not a hard decision for a business to make. And that's really what this comes down to: equity. Every design Amazon can generate itself instead of licensing from us is money that used to flow to creators, now staying entirely with Amazon. That's the actual stake here, not just competition, but who owns the upside of this entire operation going forward. I say it because sellers who prepare for this now are going to be fine, and sellers who ignore it are going to be the ones who get blindsided. Here's what I'd actually do. First, ditch generic, easy to replicate designs. Now we know AI is actually very capable of making both simple designs and very complex designs, but think about maybe designs that somebody would not think to create with AI and maybe lean into those types of designs or niches. Number 2, build an audience Amazon doesn't control. 3, diversify across platforms. You guys, if you've been subscribed, you've heard me say this, but if you've already done the work to list on Amazon, make sure you're also listing to Etsy, eBay, Walmart, Shopify, etc. And number 4, continue to watch the space closely. As Amazon continues to innovate and make changes, you want to be one of the first to know when any big sweeping changes are going to take place. Look, Amazon's not the bad guy for building AI tools, but it's on us to recognize when the platform we're building on has an incentive to need us less over time. So we need to call a spade and do the best we can to prepare for what might be coming. If you found this helpful, make sure you're subscribed because I'm going to be covering anything that affects our bottom line as merch on demand sellers. And drop me a comment. Is this changing how you're thinking about your merch business moving forward? I want to hear about it. Thanks guys. I'll see you at the next one.